This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Debbie Cox. Immaculate and quality custom brick home in great location. Besides replacement windows, new roof and gutters, oversized 3-car garage with epoxy floors. So many upgrades, you must see to appreciate. Vaulted ceilings and gorgeous gas log fireplace highlight the great room, master bedroom with garden tub and dual vanities. Large kitchen with updated countertops and hardwood floors leading to a sunroom loaded with lots of windows. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Cox at 317-258-6382.